No, I'm suing you.
You need to know about
My brother got $3,500. You haven't done anything for me. I'm public defense. You're gonna take me to jail now? I want to bike all my stuff out there. Come on, please. It was in a campground, in Bear Creek campground when it was done.
Chaos erupts in the courtroom as Mr. Bryan refuses to settle down, repeatedly interrupting the judge. He demands to speak, claims false arrest, and insists on discussing diamonds, despite warnings. The judge, frustrated, orders him held in contempt and sentences him to 72 hours in jail for disrupting proceedings. Mr. Bryan pleads, begs, and worries about his belongings outside, creating a tense, dramatic moment. Court is adjourned, and the case is set for the 22nd, leaving the courtroom in stunned silence.
I know you want to say, I knew you wanted to say something before you said you wanted to say something.
Can I say something, Your Honor?
Well, we're going to set this back over to the 22nd.
I want to say something to my attorney, okay?
Well, you know
I
what?
want to say this. I'm suing for false arrest. I'm suing for damage of $5,000.
Yeah, Mr. Bryan.
Here's
That's all I was going to say.
Okay, yeah, I just want to be careful while you're in
All
court.
I'm saying.
do I,
All I'm saying.
Mr. Bryan, look at me.
That's all I'm saying. Send you a letter.
I guess I'm going to need Mr. Bryan
That's
to
all
go
I'm
to
saying.
jail. How about when you're going to go to jail this morning? You want to go to jail?
That's all I'm going to say.
No, that's not all you're going to say. The judge is talking now. I'm thinking you need to do 10 days for contempt. You know why? Because you can't settle down.
Whoa, look at the judge snap. Here, he's clearly fed up with repeated interruptions. For those wondering, contempt of court isn't just a warning, it's the judge asserting authority when someone disrupts legal proceedings. Imagine being in his shoes, 40 years in the courtroom and still dealing with this chaos.
Yes, Your Honor.
You need to get yourself settled down. We don't talk business with our
I haven't
attorneys.
had a chance to talk to her.
Are you listening to me yet?
Yes.
What is it stuck in your ears or stuck in your brain? Something's not working. When's the last time your brain actually worked?
I did a drawing of you here.
I wonder if 10 days in jail would help your disposition. What do you think?
Listen, I'm suing for damages. That's all.
You might as well.
Your Honor, I'm sorry. Mr. Bryan has some significant mental health issues.
False arrest.
Mr.
I'm
Bryan,
not talking anymore.
yeah, let's just set the court date and then you and I will talk, okay?
It's currently disrupting
When?
now.
And just like that, 3 days in jail for contempt. Notice how the judge is using short-term custody as a teaching tool, not a punishment for a crime. Courts can do this to maintain order, especially when someone won't follow basic courtroom rules. What would you do in his position?
Mr. Bryan's going to do 3 days in jail.
What are you talking about? I'm still waiting for when you talk.
No, you're going to do 3 days in jail for contempt of court because you're disrupting court. You're going into custody, young man. Maybe you got something.
Already took me to the. I hadn't been able to talk. She never contacted me.
Okay.
Here's a key moment. The judge formally signs the contempt order. That's the legal seal on all these warnings. It's not just a scolding, it's a documented court action. And you can see the frustration building. This isn't just about disobedience, it's about protecting the court's process.
Okay. Because you're disrupting court, you're going to do 3 days in custody.
Now, wait a minute.
No.
I was asking you.
3 days in court. It's 3 days in jail is what you're going to do for disrupting court, contempt of court. I'll sign an order that says you were found in contempt because you were interrupting the court. You wouldn't listen to anything I had to say.
I was horrible.
So we're going to come back for your case on the 22nd. I'm sorry, Ms. Shadowski. I just can't do business this way.
I understand, Your Honor.
But
It's 22nd.
yeah,
I'm suing.
you're going to do 2 days in jail for interrupting the court. You want me to increase that time?
I'm 67 years old. I'm getting a public defender next time.
Okay. Motion.
I got my blood to go out there.
In contempt.
I tried to talk. I couldn't. I haven't had a chance to talk. She never contacted me.
I know. But when the judge is talking to you, you actually need to listen.
I know that.
Well, you weren't doing that.
Legal clarity time. Interrupting the judge or trying to handle attorney business mid-hearing. Big no-no. Courts are structured to keep discussions orderly, otherwise, things spiral out of control. Mr. Bryan clearly hasn't caught on, and the judge is laying it out plain. Respect the process or face the consequences.
No.
Here it comes, 72 hours in custody. This isn't revenge, it's about teaching a lesson on courtroom decorum. Fun fact, even a single day in jail for contempt can shock someone into understanding the seriousness of disrupting proceedings. Audience, imagine being in this guy's shoes. Panic level 100.
Today is 8th of September. Yeah, I'm sorry I had to do that, Ms. Shadowski, but every time this client comes in, he does just this.
Oh, contact me. She have $3,500.
Okay, so the start part you're still not getting, Mr. Bryan, is this is not the time to talk to your attorney. You're actually in court at the moment.
You know that.
Well, you might know that, but you're not acting like that, and you're interrupting the court. So we're going to have you do 72 hours to see if that helps you understand the concept.
And the emotional stakes hit max. His pleading, mentioning his bike, his stuff, everything. This is what makes courtroom footage so intense. Legal rules meet raw human reaction. The audience gets both drama and a masterclass in how the system enforces respect while staying fair.
No more to this.
Okay, you do that too. Thank you, jail.
It's been 1 year on this.
You're going into custody for 72 hours.
I got all my stuff here. Go put away my bike's out there. Except you can't do that. Listen, please. Who's been 72 hours? I'm like, have bikes there. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? All my stuff here. Leave all my stuff. I can't. Wait,
Mr. Bryan, give it to the deputies.
No, wait a minute. No, wait a minute. You're contacting. That's weird.
You're going in just moment.
Wait a minute. No, please. Please don't do this to me. I've been on the bus all this time. Please don't do this to me. No, I'm suing you.
You need to move out.
My brother got $3,500. You haven't done anything for me. I'm public defense. You're going to take me to jail now? On my bike, all my stuff out there? Come on, please. It was in a campground, in Bear Creek campground when it was done. I was arrested. No, don't do this to me again. Please. Please don't do this to me.
The jail let me know if he needs anything in particular. I don't know what his heart.
Please don't do this for me. Right. I got my stuff here.
Yeah, I'll grab your stuff in the morning.
Oh, my bike and all that stuff's out.
Sir, go ahead.
You. Go.
Come on, Mr. Bryan.
Oh, yes. Oh, if you make them quiet,
Find that.
I'm quiet as this. It's in the wrong place. Come on.
Okay, Miss Shadowski, I got Brittany Schultz.